Assalamu alaikum. I am Farah Amir and today I am sharing some duas for business, success, barakah, profit growth and protection. Please share this along with your loved ones to become the part of Sadaqah Jariyah chain. Dua for business to prosper. O Allah, verily I submit myself to you and I turn my face to you and I entrust my affair to you, hoping in you and fearing in you, and I lay myself down depending upon you. There is no refuge from you except to you. I believe in your book which you have relieved and in your prophet whom you have sent. Dua for profit in business. Glory to be Allah and praise to be Allah, and there is no God but Allah, and Allah is most great, and there is no might and no strength but in Allah. Dua for business protection. In the name of Allah, who with his name nothing can cause harm in the earth nor the heavens, and he is all hearing and all the knowing. Dua for business growth. O Allah, grant me enough for what you make lawful so that I may dispense with what you make unlawful, and enable me by your grace to dispense with all you about. Dua for barakah in business. My Lord, indeed I am in need of whatever good you send down to me. It is in Quran, ayat 28. Dua for business to prosper. My success comes only through Allah. In Him I trust and to Him I trust. It's in Surah Hud, ayat 88. Dua for success in business. O Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge and good provision and deeds that will accept it. Ibn Majah 925. How many times should I recite these duas? There is a mixture of long and short duas for business. You can recite them for as many times as you want, like before going to the shop, office, workplace, organization, or while being inside there. You can recite these duas, or you can also recite them after your every obligatory prayer, as it is one of the time when duas are accepted. Conclusion. There are 7 dua for business which can be made to achieve business success, barakah, profit, growth, to help business prosper, remove trade problems, or for protection from evil. All of the duas are taken from Quran and Hadith. Tell us in the comment which is your favorite among the 7 duas. Please like and share it along with your loved ones and be the part of Sadaqah Jariyah. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming video and keep you updated. Allah Hafiz.